like this is a spoon, so I mean this is how they make all plastic utensilware with injection molding. So they have these huge molds that they carve the piece into, blow hot plastic in there through these channels, and then you have your part.
Okay.
So that's how they make plastic silverware so cheap, because all you're paying for at a certain point is just the plastic, and plastic's dirt cheap. So they can make thousands of pieces a minute. It's insane. But Yankee logo, basketball, all sorts of stuff. All good. I got like 8 million of them laying around.